Using a drop flower nozzle. Use stiff peak royal icing and a drop flower nozzle. Work on a sheet of baking parchment, securing the corners with a dot of icing. Make sure your nozzle is clean. Start with your hand twisted slightly anti-clockwise. Pressing the nozzle onto the paper, squeeze, turn clockwise, release the pressure and lift away. Squeeze, turn clockwise, release the pressure and lift away. Drop flower nozzles offer the easiest way to pipe flowers with a simple squeeze of the piping bag. The number of openings at the end of the nozzle is equal to the number of petals your piped flower will have. Squeeze, turn clockwise, release the pressure and lift again. Press down, squeeze, turn clockwise, release the pressure and lift away. Add a centre to your flowers using tiny sprinkles while the icing is still wet. Now leave to dry overnight.